Welcome to this full body stretch. Namaste. We're gonna start sitting on the floor. Extend your arms and let fall vertebra by vertebra to the floor. Place your hands in a diamond mudra on your abdomen, and we're gonna practice this yoga breathing. Start focusing in this part of your body. When you inhale, you open your stomach. When you exhale, you make it smaller. Now add anteversion when you inhale and retroversion, table in, bring your lumbar part when you exhale. Feel this movement in the lower part of your back. Now change your hands to your thorax, to your chest. When you inhale, you open, and when you exhale, you close it. Feel now the dorsal part touching the floor when you exhale. Feel the movement in the rib cage. Now we're going to go to the third part. Inhale and exhale, bringing your air to the clavicles. This breath is short and intense, so just 2, 3, 4 to feel the breathing in this part. Now we're gonna do the complete yoga breathing. So inhale from the stomach, go to your chest, and finish in the clavicles. When you exhale, the wave starts from the bottom to the top as you divided the air, entering in 3 parts. And exhaling in 3 parts. Inhale and exhale naturally. Extend right leg and do flex and pointed feet. Flex and pointed feet. And now change. Left leg up and pointed feet and flexed feet. Well done. Find the belt. And we are going to stretch the right leg. So take the belt with both hands. Make sure your knee is extended. You can extend also left leg. And when you exhale, to bring your leg closer to you. Inhale, you can release a little bit the stretch, and exhale, go farther. Well done. Now place your left hand on the floor and open your hip. Your leg is falling to the right side. Make sure your left hip is rooted on the floor. Do the complete yoga breathing during the practice. Exhaling, come back. Take the belt with your left hand. Place your right hand on the floor. And bring your leg to the left side. If you want, you can look to the right. Make sure your shoulders are back and down. Come to the center. Again, take the belt with both hands. And bring the forehead closer to your right leg. Shoulders back, shoulders down. Activate your abdomen. Well done. Go to the floor. And do the pose. Hug this leg. Move a little bit your hip. Inhale and exhale deeply. And twist your body to the left side. Look on the right. And then hug your right leg again. And release. We're gonna do the other side. Remember the yogic breathing. Take the belt and put it in the left feet. Extend the right leg. Make sure your knee is extended. And bring your leg closer to you when you exhale. Remember, when you inhale in, you can release a little bit your stretch if it's very intense. Both hips on the floor, shoulders back and down, and take the belt with your left hand and open the leg, the hip to that side. Make sure right hip is rooted on the floor. Breathe in, breathe out. And come back to the middle and change your hands. Now take the belt with your right hand, left hand on the floor, and bring your leg to that side. Feel the stretch, the intense stretch. Then come back to the center. Take the belt with both hands. And again, bring your forehead closer. And release the pose slowly. Hug your leg and twist. Bring your leg to the right side. Stay for a second. Move a little bit your leg, your hip. Make sure your lumbar part is printed on the floor. Legs up and impulse your body to Halasana. Place your hands on the lumbar part and then try to go to Salamba Sarvangasana. Raise the legs. Make sure your throat has a space, your face is relaxed, your body is in balance, and go slowly again to Halasana. Interlock your fingers, extend your arms if you can. If not, continue with your hands in your lumbar part. Your feet doesn't have to touch the floor. And go very slowly until in the pose, vertebra by vertebra on the floor. Open your legs, soles of the feet together, hands under the buttocks, palms down. Open your chest and put your crown on the floor. Inhale by your nose, exhale by your mouth. Extend legs. Stay in Matyasana, flexed feet, table in. Raise your left leg. If you can, raise both legs and hold the pose. And release. Chin to your chest, hugs your legs. Well done. And breathe deeply. Bring your forehead close to your knees. Do this movement for your upper back. Go to the right, go to the left. All the movements very slowly but very deeply. Take the cushion, put it under your knees, lay down on the floor, and release all the tension, release your mind, release your body on Savasana pose. When you lose all the control and stay in peace, in calm. Inhale and exhale naturally by your nose. Make all your body muscles, bones fall on the floor. Relax organs. Let yourself stay in this pose for a moment. Inhaling and exhaling naturally. Mentally follow your breath in and your breath out. Now, to wake up the body, begins to move slowly. Fingers, ankles, wrists. Move your head to the right and to the left. Inhale and exhale deeply. Move your hips. Hug your legs in Apanasana. And lay down the one side. Stay for a couple of breathings. And go to a sitting pose. Over your safu. Massaging your head. Make this pose comfortable. Smile yourself. Hands up. Do again the complete yoga breathing. From the bottom to the top, feel the wave inhaling and exhaling. So you can place one hand on the stomach and one hand on your heart. And feel your breathing. Smile yourself. Feel the inner peace. Thank this inner peace. Wrap your hands, feel your heat, it's your energy, and put it over your eyes, covering your eyes. Open your hands, open your eyes, hands to your chest, and be thankful of this practice. Namaste.